103 species in genus Euryops. My fascination with Euryops, a world of sunshine. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always drawn to the unique and vibrant. That's why I find myself captivated by the genus Euryops, a group of flowering plants belong to the Asteraceae family that bring a touch of sunshine to any garden. These cheerful plants, with their daisy-like flowers and often fern-like foliage, are native mostly to the rocky landscapes of southern Africa, though a few species venture into other parts of Africa and even the Arabian Peninsula. Discovering the diversity of Euryops. What I find most intriguing about Euryops is the sheer diversity within the genus. With close to 100 species, there's an Euryops for almost any garden setting. Some are compact and bushy, perfect for borders or containers, while others grow into larger shrubs, ideal for adding structure to a landscape. Here are fascinating Euryops species. Euryops pectinatus, perhaps the most well-known. This species boasts bright yellow flowers and finely divided, silvery green foliage. It's a popular choice for its long flowering season and ability to attract pollinators. Plant FAQs. Euryops pectinatus. Euryops chrysanthemoids. This species truly lives up to its name, chrysanthemoids, meaning resembling a chrysanthemum. Its golden flowers and aromatic foliage make it a delightful addition to any garden. Euryops virgineus, also known as the honey Euryops. This species features masses of small, white flowers that give off a sweet honey-like fragrance. Euryops abrotenifolius. This species stands out with its finely divided, almost feathery foliage and bright yellow flowers. It's a great choice for adding texture and color to a garden. Euryops linearis. With its narrow, linear leaves and bright yellow flowers, this species offers a more delicate look compared to some of its bushier relatives. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I admire Euryops. Beyond their visual appeal, I appreciate Euryops for their resilience and adaptability. Many species are drought-tolerant, making them well-suited to arid climates. They also tend to be low maintenance, requiring minimal pruning and care. In my own garden, I've found them to be remarkably easy to grow, rewarding me with an abundance of cheerful blooms for much of the year. I'm particularly fond of how Euryops attract a variety of pollinators, including bees and butterflies. In a world where these creatures are facing increasing challenges, it's heartening to see a plant that provides them with a valuable food source. The joy of growing Euryops. For me, gardening is a source of immense joy and satisfaction. There's something truly rewarding about nurturing a plant from a small cutting or seedling and watching it flourish. With Euryops, that joy is amplified by the sheer abundance of flowers they produce. Whether I'm using them to brighten up a border, add a splash of color to a container, or create a welcoming habitat for pollinators, Euryops never fail to bring a smile to my face. In the world of horticulture, Euryops may not be the most glamorous or exotic genus, but they hold a special place in my heart. Their cheerful disposition, resilience, and ability to attract pollinators make them a true asset to any garden. As I continue to explore the diversity of this fascinating genus, I'm constantly discovering new reasons to admire and appreciate these sunny little plants.